Assalamualaikum and hi, good evening. My name is Muhammad Abdul Hakim Azam and Muhammad Ramli. So today I want to present our group project which is risk and Splint. Okay, for the introduction, hand and wrist injuries affect a wide variety of adult and pediatric general population groups. Furthermore, they have the ability to affect patients of all ages and activity levels. Thus, this injury can occur not only in high levels professional athletes but also as a result of low energy trauma during regular everyday activities. Okay, for the problem statement, some users deal with itchy skin when using the traditional arm cast. The problem starts when the itching underneath the cast. It can be a tricky as it's hard to take them off the arm cast to relieve an itch, which can make things unbearable for some wearers. So, we decide to make the arm cast easy to use, as the arm cast pattern design can be detached from two sides for adding zippers. Okay, for the exciting product, as you can see, there is three examples of exciting product wrist and thumb splint. Wrist and hand braces designed to help recovery from injury or surgery. Wrist and thumb splint helps the rehabilitation process following tendon damage or muscle strains. Wrist brace may help with compression support or to limit range of movement, assisting the healing process. Wrist and thumb support can either be relatively short or stretched some way up to the forearm. Thank you. That's all from me.
Assalamualaikum dan selamat sejahtera. My name is Lin Jinseng. I am from BMW Section 1. Today, I am going to present the objective, methodology, and benchmark of this project. The objective is to improve feature, make easy to carry and use, and lightweight. Second is improve the design of the product, make it more flexible in size. Third is helps to relieve pain and inflammation. Fourth is to variety of the function, like we have ventilation hole and increase the grip strength. Methodology. Before we decide to produce the product, we will find out the mission statement and build out the house of quality to find out the problem that based on the needs of the market. After we find out the problems, we try to produce a product that fulfill most of the needs of the customer. After that, inspiration and informative sketch will be done for present to our lecturer for the better understanding. After we get the permission of the lecturer, we will select the best one and draw it in the SolidWorks to produce 3D modeling. And then the file will be served in the STL file to ready to prototype in the FlashSpring software. After we've done the prototyping process, we'll print out the product by 3D printer. This is the benchmark of our company product. The function is to supporting the hand, reduce pain and with hand, make the task more easier, increase the grip strength, and then the size is capable for all people. Advantage is better ventilation process, and then we have the warranty about half a year. Here's the competitor product. The function is almost the same. They have 3 categories in size, and they do not have any warranty. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and selamat sejahtera. My name is Muhammad Fizan Kim Ibn Moisa, and I'm from BMW student, and I'm from Group 1, and our product is about wrist and thumb splint. So I'll be talking about the final design and material product. So this is our final design sketch. From the sketch, we use 2 layers, which are the outer layer will be using thermoplastic, and the inner layer will be using microfiber. Since we use two layers, the design has a bubble hole so that the product can be lightweight. And we added some mechanism. As you can see from the right below picture, there's the mechanism. The mechanism is when we pull the twisted lock, the product can be tightened. The mechanism which are the it has the string, twisted lock, and a lock. So this is our compressor product. For the finalized product, we added a mechanism, and it has two layers. So this is the front view. The right circle is the twisted lock, and it has a string inside of it. The string is then connected from the twisted lock and will be connected at the back of the lock. So the left one is a string holder, so that the string will be stay still. This is the back of the view, and the back of the view we have the connected string. We have string that is connected from the twisted lock. So this is the exploded view. The green one is the microfiber, and the two part is the thermoplastic. And we also added this string. So this is our product part, and this is the product material. The reason we will be using the thermoplastic is that it has lightweight and high strength. So the thermoplastic part is the outside part, and the inner part, microfiber. The reason is lightweight and it is comfortable. And lastly, our product material is string. String material will be using nylon because it can be stretchy and durable. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and salam sejahtera. My name is Wan Abdul Muiz. Today I will continue with my part. Okay, this is a 3D model assembly drawing. For this view we call as a front view, and this view we call as a top view, and for this view we call as a three-dimensional isometric projection. Okay, for your information, in this circle, it shown how the locking system mechanism running. There is a nylon rope, which is the function of nylon rope is to tighten or loosen the spring. Okay, next we go to the exploded view. Okay, this is the exploded view, which is we separate part from the assembly part, which is we shown the previous slide before. Okay, for the green color, this is a microfiber, and the other part, the bigger part of this is we call as a thermofluid, and the four small component is a nylon rope. Okay. Okay, next we going to the conclusion. Okay, first, material that we are used is non-toxic. Second, the cost to produce this splint are low cost than existing product. Third, the sizing are flexible, suitable use to children until adult. Number 4 is wearing this splint will prevent moving freely. And number 5 is by wearing this splint, it gives comfort to user. And the last but not least, it helped to speedy recovery, especially sprain or fracture in the wrist and thumb. That's all for me. Thank you.